Well, Davis Industrial, we are very customer centric, but everything is done with a philosophy of doing the right thing by absolutely everybody involved. From our employees to our customers to our community involvement, everything centers around doing the right thing, and that's what allowed us to grow so much. In the next 5 years, we plan to be an industrial services leader within the southeast of the U.S. So what sets us apart from the competition is our sense of urgency and the fact that we care about every single person involved in our company and the community. We take pride in our employees, and we tend to build divisions around their strengths. We expanded into different areas based on the people that we had and the resources that our customers were needing. We have a community involvement task force here that really involves the employees in the decision making for the community involvement causes that we get behind. We really get involved with the community that supports us. Our business philosophy is really to do the right thing. Buying the business in 2008 as a woman in a man's world wasn't the easiest thing to do, but I knew that if we stuck to doing the right thing by the employees, by the customers, and the community, that we can make it all go round. We really key in on our people. They're the reason that we are where we are today and why we've accomplished what we've accomplished. We couldn't have been where we are without the great people behind us. We're such a family-oriented atmosphere, and we really take care in every single person here.